Hi guys, welcome to Auto Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Instagram region or country. So first of all, we will go into the Instagram app, and here you have to click on the account, and after that you will see an option in the middle that is edit profile. You have to click over that, and then here you have to scroll down, and the third option, which is contact option, you have to just click on that, and here you have to click on business address. So after clicking on business address, here it will open a location, and here you have to add your address. So if you want to change the region, just type whatever the region you want to, and basically if you want to change the city, and after typing the city you have to click on the zip code, and if you fill all the details, that city and the zip code, after that you will able to change Instagram region, country. So this is it guys, I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.